Welcome to Soul Horoscopes Astro Weather Edition. My name is Christopher Witecki, and I'm your stand-up astrologer. Well, it's Friday, October 31st, 2008. The sun's progressed to 8 degrees Scorpio, and the moon's in Sagittarius for a weekend of death. What do I mean by that? Well, there's two things, really. One, the sun, which is still up in Scorpio, of course, but we're going to end Chapter 1 by the end of this weekend, which means it's time to make some critical decisions in your life about what's not working in the Scorpio awareness. So, in each of 12 zodiac races, I'll be outlining what decision you have to make. You don't have to act on it, you don't have to do anything yet, but you do need to be honest with yourself. But here's the real death, the moon, which over the weekend is going to do kind of a bipolar thing. First, the moon crosses Venus, so we're all going to feel happy and joyous. That's probably today through tomorrow. Then the moon will hit Pluto, which is the planet of death and regeneration. It's kind of the recycling program of the zodiac. And here's the thing. This is the last time the moon is going to cross Pluto when it's in Sagittarius. That's it. It will never cross. The moon will never cross Pluto in Sag again for the rest of your life because Pluto's off the Capricorn as of the third week in Thanksgiving. So in each 12 signs, I'm going to outline how it is time to release emotional baggage tied to the last 12 years of regenerating that part of your soul. We all went through pain. We all had hard times. It's over. It's the end of an era. And isn't it funny that we're starting a new one in the United States next Tuesday with the elections? Very interesting. But before you click on your horoscope, take a look at the moods of each of our brothers and sisters and what they'll be venting through the weekend. Let's begin, of course, with our air signs. Gemini, sunny and sentimental this weekend. They're releasing old bad relationship pain. The Librans, sunny and chatty, dismissing the old mind games. And the Aquas are sunny and social. They're releasing all the times where they just didn't fit in. That's going to continue, but it won't hurt anymore. Now on to the fire signs. Aries, sunny and passionate, releasing old belief persecution, either of themselves or by the world. The Leos, sunny and childlike, releasing old inner child pain and poor me's. And the Sages are sunny and cool, releasing old pains of ego. The Sages have the most to celebrate about. They're done with a major intensive transit. Then on to our earth signs. Taurus, overcast with a chance of Randy, but they're releasing old betrayals, old lovers, and old death situations. The Virgos, sunny, nesting, and resting, letting go of the pains of their childhood or their foundation issues. And the Capricorns are cloudy and private. They're letting go of the pain where they lacked inner faith or they overjudged themselves. Then lastly, our water signs. Cancer, sunny and hyper-aware, letting the old life die and the pains of their old lifestyle. The Scorpios, sunny and productive, letting the pain of self-esteem issues die for good. And the Pisces are sunny and professional, letting the old glass ceilings in their career or all the mean people in their job go away. It's time to let that go, Pisces. All right, that's all I have for this special Halloween Astro Weather edition. Be sure to click on your own horoscope for the details of what to let go. If you're not watching us at the mothership, come on down. We've got all 12 signs, 5 days a week. And we're out there under a spooky Halloween death moon for real. I'll be in the studio covering your Astro.